Hi creative programmers, this is Pratyush, and in this whole video we will be tackling how to create a quick face recognition software using Python. So this will be an easy and simple program that we'll be creating in Python. So first of all, the requirements. The requirements are very simple. You need to install the Opencv. We will be using this module or package to just recognize the face. So this will be a really easy tutorial. So first of all, you need to download the Grayscale file from the link below. Then you need to write pip install Opencv Python and hit enter to install your Opencv. It will take some time, and after that being done, let's start coding. So here I am inside my Visual Studio Code. So let's write the program. First of all, we need to import our CV2. Simply type. Now here we are importing the Opencv package. So after doing this, we need to load our cascade that you have downloaded from the description. To do this, we just need to write a face So here in this code we are just importing our Grayscale file, that is the frontal face. So simply write this code to import your Grayscale file from your file manager. Then here we are loading the Grayscale, so I'm giving a comment here. So here it has been done. So we are importing our Grayscale file here. Now we need to import our image. So I have downloaded an image from the internet that is named as test.jpg. So we simply write down the format here, that is basically now here in this code we are just importing our image. That is really simple. So here are we. Here make sure that the read format is not supported here. You need to write the im read here, and so I will be giving here a comment that we are reading the import image. So import image, so we will be just writing it. Basically what it will do is read the image that you are providing it. So now we need to convert the image into a grayscale. Now the most important part, we need to convert it into a grayscale. So to do this, simply I am writing a comment here that we are converting it into grayscale. Now we need to convert it into grayscale. To do this, just write down a code here. Basically we need to make sure that we will define a variable here known as gray. Now here in this code we are just converting our image into a grayscale image. Okay, so this is really simple and really easy. You just need to define this program here, just writing by this color bgr to gray. So this is really simple. So next thing, we need to detect some faces here. So what we do is I will basically provide a comment here first of all. So here we need to detect our faces. To do this, I am just defining a variable here known as faces. So in this line we are making our face to be detected using our program. To do this, we are using detect multiscale function here. So it should be grayscale image, and we have given it size and float here. So let's write down another code to make a rectangle around the faces so that we can get the recognized face. So I'm giving a comment out right there.
So
So to do this, we need to make a for loop here. For example, we need to just define a x, y, w and h. Now these are the variables for the rectangle which we are using. So I'm just making a for loop here. Now under this loop we are making a rectangle. So to do this, just write cv2 dot So here in this piece of code, I am just defining the size of the rectangle that will be formed in our image. So this looks really great. So let's do is that we should need a output to be displayed. So I'm making a output here. First of all, come out of the loop, and then I'm commenting another stuff here that should be our display. Display the output. So basically in this line of code we will be displaying our output here. So make sure that you should not do any error here. So these are the basic codes you need to write. Now to do this, we need to use the imshow function of the cv2. So I'm just importing this function. Now you must use the imshow function here. We need to show our image and also the image variable. To do this, just write. Now we need to wait for the key to be closed so that we can close our program using a single key pressed. To do this, just write cv2 wait key function is there for this. So it will basically wait for your command to be closed. So basically this is the piece of code. So I'm saving it right now. So here is a basic image which I need to be detecting the faces here. There are lots of faces. There are now around 7 faces outright there. So there should be 7 rectangle. So let's do what can we do here. So basically I will run my program here. So thank you for this tutorial. I hope you have liked this tutorial a lot. So make sure to like, subscribe and share for more tutorials. And if you have any queries or doubts, just ask me below. I will be answering all the comments down below, and have a good day.